Ready to leave America for good? Let's talk. 60 minutes, one-on-one, life-changing clarity. If you've been dreaming of a fresh start in the Philippines, whether for freedom, a fort, adventure, or peace, it's time to stop scrolling and start planning. This isn't a generic webinar. It's a personal, private core designed just for you. What you'll get: real talk about visas, cost of living, and lifestyle. Insider tips on where to settle beyond Manila and Cebu. Cultural insights to help you thrive, not just survive. Honest answers to your biggest fears and questions. A roadmap for making the move without regrets. Who this is for: Americans who feel stuck, burned out, or just ready for something radically different. Retirees, remote workers, digital nomads, or freedom seekers. Anyone serious about leaving the US permanently and building a new life in the Philippines. Why book this call? Because Reddit threads and YouTube videos won't give you the personalized guidance you need. This is your chance to speak with someone who understands both worlds and can help you bridge the gap. Limited spots available. Book your 60-minute call today and take the first real step toward your new life in the Philippines. Your future is waiting. Let's make it happen.
As many Americans feel disillusioned by deepening divisions in U.S. politics and culture, seeking a more stable or less contentious environment is growing. Top 5 reasons and benefits Americans move abroad. 1. Lower cost of living. Many countries in Southeast Asia, Latin America, and Eastern Europe offer significantly lower living expenses, from housing and healthcare to food and transportation. Your dollar can stretch much further, allowing for a more comfortable lifestyle or earlier retirement. Countries like Portugal, Mexico, and the Philippines offer significantly lower living costs, allowing expats to enjoy a higher quality of life on a smaller budget. 2. Affordable, accessible healthcare. Countries like Thailand, Mexico, and Portugal offer high-quality healthcare at a fraction of U.S. prices. Many expats report shorter wait times, lower prescription costs, and excellent private care options. The high cost and complexity of U.S. healthcare drives many to countries with universal or more affordable healthcare systems. 3. Improved work-life balance. In many cultures outside the U.S., there's a stronger emphasis on leisure, family, and community. This shift in values can lead to reduced stress, more time for personal pursuits, and a slower, more intentional pace of life. 4. Warmer climates, slower-paced lifestyles, and access to nature or beach living are major draws, especially for retirees and digital nomads. 5. New opportunities and tax benefits. Some countries offer favorable tax regimes for expats, including territorial taxation or tax exemptions on foreign income. Others actively court remote workers, retirees, and entrepreneurs with residency incentives and digital nomad visas. Some countries offer favorable tax structures, digital nomad visas, or retirement programs that make relocation financially attractive.
Freedom isn't given, it's taken. And every time you take it, you pay. You pay in silence when you walk away from everything familiar. You pay in loneliness when the crowd chooses comfort and you choose truth. You pay in scars, some visible, some buried so deep they whisper in your sleep. They'll tell you freedom is light, but I've carried it, and I'll tell you it's weight. It's the weight of choice, of consequence, of standing when it's easier to kneel. And yet, I'd pay it all again. Because once you've tasted it, real freedom, not the kind they sell in slogans, you'll never trade it for chains, no matter how golden they shine.